Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play call recordings on your Realme device. First, open your phone's dialer application, which is usually represented by a phone icon. Next, tap on the Recents or Call History tab to view your past calls. You will then see a list of your recent conversations. Look for a small recording icon, often a circle or a tape symbol, next to the calls that have been recorded. This indicates a saved conversation. Once you have identified a recorded call, simply tap on that specific entry in your call history. This action will open the call details screen, providing more information about that particular conversation. Within this screen, you should easily find a play button or a dedicated recording option. Tapping this button will immediately begin playback of the recorded audio, allowing you to listen to the conversation at your convenience. It's a straightforward process. After listening, you have several options for managing your recordings. Most Realme phones allow you to share the audio file directly from the call details screen using various messaging or cloud applications. If a recording is no longer needed, you can easily delete it to free up storage space. For important conversations, it is always a good idea to back them up to a cloud service or another device, ensuring they are not lost. If you wish to access the raw audio files, you can find them using your phone's File Manager application. Navigate to your internal storage, and you will typically find a dedicated folder named Recordings or Call Recordings. Inside, you will see your saved conversations, often in AMR or M4A audio formats. These files can then be copied, moved, or transferred to other devices as needed. It gives you full control over your recorded audio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.